Hello guys, today I'm going to present something to you. This is concerned with a portfolio theory. This is our new code and our new model that we're gonna discuss today. It is concerning about a portfolio theory. We'll look about the introduction of portfolio theories and how to calculate two assets of portfolio expertise and how to estimate measures of the extent of international covariance and correlations. Before wasting our time, let us look at the introduction of our portfolio. The introduction of our portfolio is that we're gonna look two theories: the holding return, period returns, and the next one will be the comparing returns from two assets. Let us look first for this holding rate return. This is the return earned from a share, and this always measured through a year, and been accounted for a year, and the return earned from a share is defined as holding period return. This is a return earned from a share. This is what you earn from what you have invested from an investment or from any company. You have been projected your shares there. At the end you will get return. At the end you will get earnings. This earning is called a return. So when will you earn that return? That is a period. It is a length of time when you will get that share. When you get return from that share you have invested. This is holding period return. How do we measure this return? There is a simplest formula here, that is the state that the state holding rate return equals to dividend, just you expecting, you may plus the price and the price at the starting. This is the price at the ending, and this is the price at the start. You divide by the price at the end, where both these, the rate R means holding period return, and the rate D1, this dividends received. This is what you receive, and what is, and this P note, this is the share price at the end of the period, and this P note is purchase price. This purchase price, it is a period when you purchase, when it is a period when you purchase your shares. The first price when you purchase your share, and this P1, this is a price that you sell the share. Let us look about the next theory, and this is concerned with comparing return from two assets. Comparing return from two assets. This if the return from one share is on annual basis, risk another one is semi-annual. The two shares need to be compared while all of them are on annual basis. You may compare this and rest that there is another that is paid semi-annual and another is paid by annual. Our formula will change. Will be as follows. It will be this square equals to 1 plus r. This s, it means semi-annual, and this r is holding period returning for a year. Okay, this is for this formula is for semi-annual return, and this is for a share that its return it comes annual. Okay, semi-annual rate, r annual rate. Annual rate. This is how we can compare two returns from two shares. And let us proceed. This states that the link existing between portfolios, the link existing between portfolio risk and portfolio return was first quantified by Hal Markowitz in 1952 in his journal article entitled Portfolio Selection. He found the so-called modern portfolio theory (MPT). Given a choice between two assets with equal rate of return, risk-averse investors will select the asset with the lower level of return. The investor may choose to choose the lowest level of risk because the investor is risk averse, and they not expect much to get loss. They expect much to get a profit. So they choose the best of the asset that has the lower risk. Another is on the major concept. They say on the major concepts that most investors should be aware of is the relationship between the risk and the return of the asset. The financial theory suggests that there is positive relationship between expected return and risk. Portfolio theory is here referred to as mean variance optimization. That is all about the introduction to portfolio theory.